Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to connect a Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC wired and wireless. So step 1, grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into the top of the Switch Pro controller and the other into your PC. Step 2, Windows should detect and identify the Nintendo Switch controller, and you see a small notification in the taskbar telling you when it is done. How to connect a Nintendo Switch Pro controller to PC wirelessly. Step 1, press the start button and then press settings. Step 2, in the window that opens, select devices, which is the second choice on the top right. Step 3, make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched on and then press add Bluetooth or other devices. Step 4, you now have to choose the kind of device you want to connect. Ignore the mention of Xbox controller at the bottom and press the top option Bluetooth. Step 5, you now need to put your Switch Pro controller in pairing mode. Pick it up and find the small button on the left side of the charging port. Press and hold the button until the set of lights on the underside of the pad starts flashing back and forth. Step 6, back on your computer list will have begun to fill featuring Bluetooth devices that can be connected. The Switch Pro controller will appear here and it's thankfully easy to spot named simply Pro controller. Click this option. Step 7, all being well, you get confirmation with the words your device it is ready to go. Once you have seen this message, your gamepad is connected. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.